Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You have me, Mark, and welcome to us. This is the first week of July, and uh, I was supposed to upload videos last Tuesday and yesterday, pero inatake tayong tamaditis, tsaka medyo busy. So we will make ketchup. Not the ketchup you for not the condiment, but catch up. We catch up. So I owe you so far two videos plus two more, one for tomorrow and then also one more for Sunday. So let's kick things off with this group, G22. We have listened and reacted to several of their songs, pero mostly music videos, and I think one or two in the live. What's this? Yung Wish Bus. So I'm hoping na meron yung mag-share ng link. Baka merong mga unlisted videos to their live performance para makita natin yung how do they perform in that kind of setting, no? But anyway, this song that we will be listening and reacting to is entitled Groove On, and it has been rated G22, and it has been rated such for being too hot, groovy, and sexy. Scene material might be too hot for you. So before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, 1. Where is it? Okay.
Grab my waist and I guide you slowly. I wanna teach you how to rock this dance floor, baby. Through the lights and darkness, we are feeling like the stars, but nobody can compare to this feeling. Yeah. Have my eyes locked on your body, and since you came, I ain't seen nobody else. No, no one else. Just be yourself. I just can't let go of your grip, losing my breath. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove. Get your groove on. Get your groove on. Get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Get your groove on. Get your groove on. Nagkita ng puso ko, di mapigil ang pagdalo. Iintak sa kilos mo, damdamin ko nag-aapoy. I don't care where you're from. All I care is the beat of this drum. You're speaking in motion, feel the emotion. Hey, yeah. Pull me in and don't break the spell. Tonight we dance with secrets to us. We're taking confessions, not suggestions. Hey, I just can't let go of your lips. Is it a sin? I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Get your groove on.
And that is the end of the song. Pasensya na ha. Earlier, I played it, I let it buffer. Pero I didn't watch, promise. Kaya first time for me to watch and listen to this particular video. Pero apparently, nag-aano pa rin siya, no? Yung may pause, may interruption, parang buffer. Pero weird is, yun nga, I played this earlier without watching so that, kumbaga yung naka-download na siya, my expectation is, if I play it again, um, smooth na dapat. Pero apparently, hindi pa rin eh. So I guess it's just my PC being, on its twilight. Talagang end of life actually yung the computer I'm using, end of life na talaga to. Like super old, like Windows 7 old. So if baka meron kayo diyang hindi ginagamit, di ano na lang, baka naman. Anyway, let's look into their to this video. I want to start off with yung visuals, yung yung lighting niya, yung parang filter, let's put it that way. It reminds me of MTV during the 90s, MTV during the Spice Girls period, Atomic Kitten, yung mga ganong girl group, because yung may ano yung with the current scene, usually mga girl groups are like 5 members patas. Minsan nga mas the more the merrier eh. And although it has its benefits, medyo may challenge din 'yon, 'di ba? Kasi pag masyadong marami, you need to look into the arrangement perspective, 'di ba? Kung sino yung who will do which part and all, and also yung from also the dance part, the choreography will can be a challenge. So ito naman, on the other hand, yung having fewer members, it's easy pero yun nga yung from an arrangement perspective, everyone will have a significant amount of airtime. Kaya talagang kailangan talaga that you need to step up, kumbaga. So in fairness to the group, the surviving members, if I'm not mistaken, alam po apat yata sila before eh. Correct me if I'm wrong ah. They are able to, live to the expectation, live the hype, kumbaga. Tapos what I like about them yung um, whenever I'm new, or if it's my first time seeing the group, or mga ilang views pa lang, I try my best to get their names kagad, yung memorize who's who. Pero yun nga, uh, I find it hard sometimes to memorize. Kaya eto, from a visual perspective, it's easy to identify who's who, 'di ba? Yung they have their own unique style. Yung hair color pa lang, 'di ba? Someone's wearing red ba 'yun, or parang orange, tapos there's blonde, tapos there's black. Kasi pag sa body configuration, yung 'di ba, body configuration lang, all of them are slim eh, kaya hindi mo sabihin yung slim maganda yung boses kasi lahat sila slim. Pero at least yung hairstyle, tapos yung fashion in a way, I'm not sure if it's associated with their um, preference, or maybe it's something about the theme of the video. Pero from a dress up perspective, siguro there's this scene, yung pag yung like this one, yung mga individual shots nila, their clothing can also be used to easily identify them. From a vocal perspective, arrangement muna tayo dito sa song. I think there's this formula talaga, no, yung uh, so the platform is English talaga, ano siya, pero there's a portion here that they will sing in Filipino. Kaya yung you can still feel na ano, parang yung nandun pa rin yung Pinoy pride kumbaga in the mix. Um, I can feel their confidence in the way they ano, yung the way they establish eye contact when they're singing, 'di ba? Yung hindi siya ano eh, it's how do we say, what's the opposite of empty? Full. Yung parang their eyes are trying to say something, pero yun nga, we assume that's what they are communicating is what they're actually saying. Maybe the emotion or the intensity, the excitement, that's what they're trying to convey. Pero yung feel ko dito talaga sobrang sobrang confident, talagang yung level of confidence nila. And I think they've also matured in terms of their skills, their talent. Yung ano na eh, parang uh, at ease sila eh. When they are performing, it's like they are in their comfort zone. Kaya nga, ako I prefer to see them live kasi ito, we don't know how many takes were done to complete this video or to complete this part of the song. Kaya hindi natin alam, di ba? Malay mo, it's just because of the director is really good in the editors and everyone working the background. Pero just judging from this video alone, talagang nag-umapaw sa confidence, sa vocals nila, di ba? Despite having three members, solid yung voices nila. Um, Pretty much that's all I have. Hopefully someone can share a link. I love to see them performing live. Pero so far, yung mga videos na napanood ko with G22 has been nothing short of interesting tsaka awesome. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. At if hindi pa kayo baka naman, please do the following as many as you can sa nakalista dito, 'di ba? Like, share, subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe because I think over 90% of those who are viewing this video or our videos are not subscribed to the channel. Libre lang naman ang mag-subscribe. It's just a click away. If you feel like sharing more, be a member. Meron siyang konting contribution lang just to mitigate our operational expenses. Ayan, yung mga ano, atake. And at least kapag when you're watching the video, please do not skip the ads. Yan, ma-appreciate ko yung sobra. So until then, this is Sourcicles TV. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.